Okay guys, this is gonna be part one of this build series. Today I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing and show you what I got real quick. So I got some vinyl wrap, pink and blue, to match my wheels. That's that. And then the blue. I also got this battery for my lights. It's just a LiPo. That. Got my new throttle came in today, so be putting that back on, putting this new one on. Yeah, and then also guys, I'm sorry for the mess right now. I mean, it's kind of chaotic in here. I'll show you real quick. So I do have a bench. It's just there's shit on it. So, and then there's my race bike. Just my couple of my dope jumpers. This gas road bike. And then also over here is a scooter that I made. That's was electric and now it's gas. And then there's another bike back here that's electric. And then this is just my toolbox. But yeah, so and today, like I said, we're just gonna do a little bit of an unboxing and showing you guys. And then right here is the seat cover. So right here. Well, I'll open this for you real quick. So my knife out. Get this out for you guys real quick. And then, so yeah, here it is. It looks like it's gonna fit really good on here, so I'm excited for that. I'll put that back in the bag for right now. I also got a new rear shock for this. Hasn't came in the mail yet. I'm still waiting on that. And some brake pads for this. So, and then I just got some lights. LED lights. Yeah, they're just LED lights for right now. So I did solder on this connector for my battery though. If you guys can see that. So yeah, that's for the battery. I did get some new bearings for my wheels just in case, you know. I do have ones right here that are almost gone that I've blown out. So let me just see if this is the right size real quick. Pretty sure it's the right size. Yes, they are the right size, guys, so that's good. And now for the big part of this build. It's going to be the forks. So let's unbox that real quick. So the right heel, we'll be putting them on this seat real quick. They look so nice. Take one side off real quick. So yeah, these are extremely bigger than the other ones, if you can tell. They're probably gonna sit, I don't know, 2 to 3 inches taller. Let's measure real quick. So, put that back in the box. Actually, grab my calipers real quick. Let's see what they are. Let's see what the stock is right now. So, let's see. Okay, so they'll $391. So that's 390. So yeah, it's gonna be 39 millimeters. Now let's see what the new ones are. 45. So that's a big difference. So that's a big difference. Okay, let's finish unboxing this. Put these somewhere safe. There we go. There's another box. Open that in a minute. Put these aside. Yeah, this is going to be the bottom of the triple trees. Yeah, this is going to be the bottom. So, got some paper in there. Yeah, just some paper on the triple trees on the clamp. Just trying to take it off real quick. Okay, so yeah, this is the bottom piece. Put that back in the box. Out of the way. let's open up this package. This is gonna be the top triple tree, and I think the rhizomes too. So let's see. Yeah, my knife is so dull right now. Okay, so yeah, here's the bag. Backs. Yeah, so here's the bag. This right here. Got all the stuff in here. Yeah, so these are the book guards. Right here. There's those. Got the clamps right here. Put these somewhere. And then this is the top triple clamp. Yeah, so this piece right here. Flip it on. Just goes on top. Just like this. Okay. Now. Okay, and then here's all the hardware. Got the bearings. I don't even think I'm gonna need these bearings. But I'm pretty sure I can still use the stock bearings in this. So we'll see. Yeah, I don't want to take it out too much, but yeah, got the hardware and bearings and stuff in this bag. So let's start taking all this stuff off now.